Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get skill points in InVision Web Verse. To begin, focus on completing your daily quests and challenges. These provide a steady stream of skill points. Also, keep an eye out for special in-game events, as they often offer significant bonus points for participation. Don't forget to explore new areas within the Webverse, as discovery can also lead to unexpected skill point gains. The core of earning skill points lies in active gameplay. Successfully completing story missions is crucial, as these often grant substantial point rewards upon completion. Engaging in player versus environment battles will also net you combat-related skill points. Furthermore, dedicating time to crafting items and gathering resources contributes directly to your crafting skill point progression, offering a diverse path to advancement. To truly maximize your skill point acquisition, consider joining a guild or community. Many groups offer shared bonuses that can significantly boost your point earnings. Remember to activate any experience or skill point boosters you acquire, especially during longer play sessions, to get the most out of your time. Finally, concentrate on activities that best suit your character's unique strengths, making your efforts more efficient and rewarding. Earning skill points is vital for your journey in the Webverse. These points allow you to unlock powerful new abilities, significantly upgrading your character's capabilities. They also grant access to exclusive content and advanced game features, opening up new dimensions of play. Ultimately, accumulating skill points enhances your entire gameplay experience, making your character stronger and your adventures more rewarding.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.